This particular unit is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and come on in and I'll show you. Right into a hallway. We're gonna make a left bathroom here with the shower. The details in this unit are impeccable from ceiling to floor. You've got your shower here. In this hallway is where your laundry is. And we're gonna come back out into the hallway here. You've got 1 bedroom to the right. You've got some great built-ins here. A bench that overlooks into a balcony and the river. And I'll bring you out here really quickly just so you see this space. You've actually got 2 balconies here. One in the front of the unit, which again, you can overlook the river, and then I'll show you the balcony on the other side of the river that overlooks the beach. A couple of key details that I like about this specific area is you're extremely close to Phelyna Causeway. You're about 5 to 7 minutes to Phelyna Causeway as well as 95. You're also 1 minute from the beach house, which is a great restaurant on the beach. You've got Patrick Airport Space, that's also about 5 minutes here. Your Publix is about 9 minutes, so this location is perfect. And it really opens up to a great kitchen and living room area. And I'm gonna bring you into this kitchen here. You've got tile flooring, you've got the ceilings here have great detail. Your kitchen area kind of overlooks the beach to the left, and then you have still that river view that I showed you up front to your right. And we're gonna walk into the master, which is my favorite part of this unit. Great big windows here that you can see that kind of overlooks that back area. You're gonna walk through this bathroom here, and you've got some really gorgeous built-ins into the closet. You've got the yours and theirs closet here, and this bathroom was so beautifully done. You've got your great garden tub here with the jets, and then you've got your stand-up shower as well. Another key point that I really love about this is that it's got automatic shutters. We're literally in a push of a button, your shutters go down. So take a look at this view here. You've got right over here, it opens up and you can directly walk to the beach, which I'll take you really quickly. So here we have the beach crossover. Again, walking distance right to that unit here. Let me bring you really quickly so you can see the view. Again, it's a short walk. Well, there you have it. That's unit 103. We've got a couple of units in Casa Playa. So the next one, I'm gonna put a link to it so you can view the next unit, which you're gonna have Wendy Bomb do this. I hope you check it out, and I'll talk to you soon.